Find the solutions of the quadratic of the square of x minus 4 minus 36 equal to 0. Okay, to solve, we're going to add both sides by positive 36. So now we have negative 36 plus 36 is 0. Then 0 plus 36 is 36. Therefore, we have the square of x minus 4 equals 36. And then the next step is square root natin both equation or both left and right of the equation. So, square root of the square of x minus 4, kakancel na natin yung square. So, that's why we have x minus 4 equals the square root of 36. Okay, and then now we have x minus 4 equals plus or minus the square root of 36, which is 6. We're going to solve the resulting equation. That is x minus 4 equals plus or minus 6. Okay, so it becomes x minus 4 equals 6. And then the other one, x minus 4 equals negative 6. Okay, so yan yung dalawang equation na isosolve natin. Okay, two values of x, which is x minus 4 equals 6 and x minus 4 equals negative 6. X minus 4, mag-add tayo ng plus 4 both left and right of the equations. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. 6 plus 4 equals 10. So we have x is equal to 10. Then now we have x minus 4 equals negative 6. Again, we add 4 both left and right of the equation. So we have negative 4 plus 4 is 0. The negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. Therefore, we have x equals negative 2. Okay, so those are the two values of x. Okay, and now the answer is the equation, the square of x minus 4 minus 36 equal to 0 has two solutions, is x equals to 10 or x equals negative 2. Okay, for the next example, find the solutions of the equation for x squared minus 64 equal to 0. Okay, to solve, we're going to have for x squared minus 64 equal to 0. Then we're going to add plus 64 both left and right of the equation. So, negative 64 plus 64 is 0. 0 plus 64 is 64. So, that's why we have for x squared equals 64. Now, to solve for x, we're going to divide both sides by 4. So, 4 divided by 4 is cancel, or we have x squared equals 64 divided by 4 is 16. Okay, we have now the two values of x because k is positive. Then we have x squared equals 16. Therefore, we have x equals plus or minus square root of 16. Then, square root of 16 is 4, and that is x equal to plus or minus 4. Then, the two values of x are x equal to 4 and x equals negative 4. So, those are the two values of x. And now, the answer for the equation 4x squared minus 64 equal to 0 has two solutions. And they are x equals 4 or x equals negative 4.